Hi everyone, here I've got Meizu 16th and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode. So first of all, the easiest way to do this is simply to drag the upper bar once and the second time, and as you can see here we've got the DND icon, so simply click on it and from now on the Do Not Disturb mode is activated. If you do not have this shortcut, simply let's go to the settings. Then let's tap on Sounds and Vibrations and Do Not Disturb. And as you can see, to enable DND mode, simply click here and now it's activated. As you can see, you can schedule that, for example, from Monday to Sunday from 11 to 7 next day, or you can add schedule and do it just like you want. So let me do something like this. Okay, and repeat, for example, on Sunday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Save. If you get back, as you can see, there are many other settings, for example, DND levels, allow priority. For example, you can allow priority only or allow alarm only or allow nothing. Let me choose allow nothing. And as you can see, I cannot choose anything. If you want, you can customize priority, for example, for text messages or calls. So to turn it off, simply click here, and that's all. Now you've just disabled the DND mode. So that's all. This is how you activate the Do Not Disturb mode in Meizu 16th. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.